Hey folks, MACT back. And you know how I put this new valve cover on here? Well, I got over 9,000 miles on this oil change. I haven't added any oil. So let's go ahead and check as a follow-up to see how much oil this 3.5 Duratec used with the new valve cover and see if it did its job or did I lose oil. Don't know, but let's go ahead and check it out and see what it actually did. I have high hopes. I haven't checked it since I've done it, so this is going to be a surprise for me as well as it is for you. So let's get this thing checked. Clean it off so we get a fresh run at it. And over 9,000 miles, check that out. Yep, half a quart low. So it did help, folks. It did actually do its job and get me down to just a half a quart in 10,000 miles. So I think I'm doing good on this. We're gonna go ahead and change the oil now. But I just wanted to do a follow-up on this to let you all know that, hey, the valve cover change did work, and I'm happy for it. You gonna look at it? Are you gonna change the oil on that?
Maybe I will change it.
You're gonna change the oil?
Yeah, maybe I will change it next time. I was practicing with the other car, and then maybe I'll come back and do it with this one.
Well, should we start this one up? Warm up the oil?
Yeah.
Okay, you gonna start it for me?
Alright.
Okay, go start it.
Oh, hi. Oh, right. I can do that. I always need to get an extra jacket because it's cold.
She wants to get her driver's license.
Sure.
Don't crash.
I won't crash.
Hey, you're a butthead. Trying to scare me. Well, that's what a 270,000 mile Duratec sounds like on cold startup. As always, running like a top. What? What'd you say?